if I was going to use my smartwatch to go through and turn the lights on and off, I have to go through at least like one or two menus to get there and do it. With this, it's like it's a point and shoot. You know, it's easy enough for really anyone to learn, and it's simple. And sometimes simple is the best solution. I'm Alex. We are in Albany, New York today. And I am 40 years old and definitely a millennial. And because I'm in a powered chair, like when I'm reaching for things or I'm kind of, sat in a chair. So I have like certain, range of motion, or I need to be like close enough to certain things to reach them. It's not like I'm just taking another step closer. It's like I actually have to, what I end up doing a lot in this apartment is I end up making circles around because I want something to be on the left side of my chair because the controller is on my right side. At least in our main living space, we don't have carpets. In our bedroom, there's like two carpets. There's one that's like a smaller mat. In the bathroom, there's a mat, but like I know that is like a major indicator for fall risk is really mats and carpets and stuff. But I could see, if you're in the dark and like the mat is bent or it's crumpled or it's like for some reason it's not totally flat and it's dark, that's major fall stuff, and you're not going to notice it without the lights on. If you're hurrying to the bathroom at night, I mean, your priority is getting to the bathroom, not necessarily turning the lights on and going to the bathroom. So, being able to just point in that direction with your finger and like, you're literally just kind of pointing at it, and it doesn't take a lot of extra effort. I'm not someone that's like very eager to go to assistive devices because it's kind of a hassle when you got to like haul the stuff around with you. But the format of like being a ring is kind of nice because you can kind of just wear it and forget it. It kind of tears down some of the barriers of accessibility. Her girlfriend, she left that light on over there when she left for the airport. We had to leave at like 4 a.m. in the morning. I cannot reach the light switch over there. So that light was on for probably the past 3 days, just nonstop, because I did not feel comfortable trying to stand and like press the button. So like it'll be convenient now where I would definitely get use out of it. I am a fan. I'm definitely a fan.